Welcome to CondoLogie.
I'm Condo bot, so let's keep up the good work. But this time we're going to put a little meat around the bone. What I mean by that is that in fact we're going to work with an item in the budget that will require possibly a replacement. Therefore, it is necessary to determine a maintenance cost and a replacement cost. The better the device is maintained, the longer it will last. Okay? So we're going to invent the whole thing. But you'll see that it makes perfect sense. So we click, we're going to go there with the air conditioning, equipment and system. We click the three little green dots, then, edit. We enter the file. There's something new. Well, CondoLogie is here. Okay, so the dates are there. The item code is empty. The category of the item, it's an accessory, the name of the supplier. We don't have one. We're going to call as an example magical air conditioning. We go like this. Type of company, it's an entrepreneur. We could complete all the contacts and all the information, then we also know that when we save, everything will be displayed in the file. Condition of the items, it is in good condition. Our air conditioning system is in good condition, but it is no longer guaranteed. Type of items, it's an expense. Now for this time, we will make a simple expense. We will not make a redistributed expense. So income and collection, there are none, and there, it will become fascinating, because, is the expense subject to common areas? We will say yes. To all the common areas inside. Will the item need to be replaced? Then the answer is yes. So, when an item must be replaced, we know that for this item there is no redistribution of the bill. We will go to the datasheet. If there was one after the device, what we can do is take a photo and then come back to put the details inside the fields of the datasheet. Here we're going to do, it's an ABC air conditioning. Okay, we could put all the information in the field which corresponds to our central air conditioning unit. The Contingency Fund and maintenance log. Well, the year of installation, it was installed in 2006, the number of years of useful life. Once again, the better the maintenance is made, the longer the number of useful years increases. So we see there that we have automatic calculations. Then here, we're going to say, well, yes, let's say that the first of next month, even if it's October, we're going to do an inspection. So CondoLogie will take care of reminding us that we have an inspection on October 1st. The replacement cost, it costs $25,000 to replace this device. Okay, boom. There are 8 years of useful life left for this device. Between 6 and 10 years, we will have to replace $25,000 of equipment. So, this is how we will begin to prepare the calculation of our contingency fund. Okay, and the maintenance part is good. We'll say, let's say 5%. We'll test it to see if it's enough, $1,250. It's probably too much. We'll do an inspection to make small checks. Let's say that our budget is $750 for annual maintenance. It's realistic. So we go back to the top. It's the big U technique. In fact, we start on the left, then we go down. We come back. We go back to the right, and we're going to go back down. So here our interview. We are going to make a payment. We have no date. Why? Because it is paid upon receipt of invoice. Often it is like that. The follow-up, and then the entrepreneur who done the interview is scheduled with the follow-up dates. We will be able to work on that a little later. Then, you will see that the communications are all automated. The method of payment, we can do with a credit card this time. Pay in full, we haven't received anything yet. Redistributed expenses, this is not a redistributed expense. Total disbursement balances to pay, we haven't touched that yet. The previous budget, this year we figure that it costs $750. Let's say we expected to pay $600 last year, then we paid $600. There is no variation, but we have a budget variation. Here do we want to go to a quote for our contractor who does the maintenance. It is your board of directors who will decide. If we check, we will have a submission to complete. So, the item is completed. It's done.